Hi guys, so today I want to talk about the Nasolabial falls. I'm going to show you how I covered my smile lines with a contour kit. So if you have same issue, then my personal way, is worth a try. To start it off, I'm using the sculpting kit by Makeup Forever. It comes with 2 colors. Both are matte finish, so it's really enough. So first of all, look at the mirror, find out your smile line is right here. As you can see, above and below are brighter. You take some bronzer. What? Yes, bronzer. Very lightly on these areas. Do not touch the smile line. Yeah, you cannot touch this. See? And then the below area also. Do not touch the dark line. Please be gentle. I'm using the highlighter. Gently draw it exactly on your smile line. Look at the final result. It was super quick and super easy. Hopefully it's helpful to somebody. So thank you for watching. Until next time, I'll see you guys soon.